Like, why am I walking down the staircase right now? Is this becoming like a hotel, like, nightmare? What's up, guys? It's your boy Ken and Corey, and I'm here still at the Hilton Hotel. I just finished packing my clothes because I'm actually getting ready to go back home. I was gonna spend my last night here, but I kind of miss my house. But I did think about something that I thought was pretty interesting that I want to do before I leave here. I kind of want to check out some of the amenities that are in this hotel at nighttime. As you guys can see, this is the pool, which is one of the main reasons why people even booked this hotel in the first place, and it looks really cool at nighttime. But I never really took the time out while I was here to check out the amenities. So let's go see what they have to offer here at this, I think it's called the Brookhollow Hotel now, formerly known as like the Grand Tuscany or whatnot. Let's just see what they have to offer. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are interested in checking out what the hotel looks like or the hotel room looks like, check out the video I shot previously before this one, where I give you like a full tour during the daytime of what the king size bedroom has to offer here at the Hilton. All right, so there was an event that happened here, which is the reason why I even came to this hotel this weekend. And so that means that there may be some people still walking around, even though it's like a little bit past midnight. I think it's like 12:30 in the morning right now. If you guys just so happen to see some people walking around in the background, that's probably from the people who came here to party this weekend. Okay, so the elevator here looks kind of cool, by the way. At nighttime, the elevator has like the whole like star ceiling. That was pretty cool. Okay, so remember when I told you guys that it was like a whole event that happened this weekend? This was the event. It was a black tie event, and then it also led to a couple other like parties and stuff that happened this weekend. And it's also leading to pretty much a last minute party that's happening here at the hotel right now. I just got off the elevators, and in the lobby, it's a lot of people like still up and enjoying their last few hours here in Houston. So I just wanted to share with you the vibes. Like here at this hotel, it's definitely some pretty cool stuff. And I'm also just being nosy. Usually during the daytime, like I know this looks like a big mirror, but usually it's a window where you can see out to the pool. So I guess at nighttime, I guess the windows reflect and you can't see outside to the pool. I guess that's like a privacy thing, I'm not sure. But that's what you can expect to see here at this hotel. All right guys, so it looks like I found the gym. The gym is accessible at nighttime. It seems like it has some pretty decent stuff in here. I mean, you can get some type of workout in. It's not a full-blown gym, but at least you got dumbbells. I think the highest it goes up to is 50. So if you work out with something heavier than that, you can't really do too much. But there's a bench here, and then there's also some treadmills over here in case you feel like you need to do some cardio. And usually it seems like you would have the view of the pool. Once again, there's like a tent on the windows to keep it from being able to see at nighttime. It looks really reflective, similar to these. Like these are real mirrors right here, but then this is the reflective windows with the tent on it. So earlier when I got off the elevator, I really kind of wanted to show you guys more of the lobby, but there's a lot of people down in the lobby and I don't want to disturb them. But I did notice that there's a bunch of snacks and a bunch of like different like items you can get, I guess, for purchase, available for purchase, even this late at night at like midnight. I'm not gonna do it. I got snacks in my apartment, but I just wanted to like show you guys just in case you're interested. Okay, so I'm back in my room and I'm not exactly sure if that was a fail because I wasn't really able to show you guys the lobby. But like I said, there's a lot of people down there. But there's something I wanted to show you or tell you guys that really kind of just threw me for a loop just now. So I was in the middle of kind of like reorganizing the room, getting it back to how it was when I first came in here. And I moved this desk. There's like a little desk underneath this table in. And when I moved it in, it hit like a plug or something that was plugged into this desk and sparks just flew everywhere. Like a whole fireworks show from the desk just like blew out and a few got everywhere. I thought maybe it was about to be a fire that was about to start. So I'm not sure what that was about, but that was kind of weird. Okay, so I'm finally leaving my home away from home to go to my home, which is down the street. I know that was like weird to have like a whole socket blow up and everything, but I still had a pretty good, decent time. So I'm not gonna let that ruin my experience of this Hilton Brookhollow hotel or whatnot. I do look forward to catching this Uber though and getting home though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Can't lie to y'all. So I was about to get on the elevator, but some people that was on the elevator just got off and told me they just got stuck. So now I'm about to walk down the staircase because I don't trust that. That is freaking weird. What is going on with the hotel? All of a sudden, last minute, things aren't working. Like, why am I walking down the staircase right now? Is this becoming like a hotel, like nightmare? Other people are walking down the staircase. That's crazy. All right. At least I'm going downstairs. For some reason, my luggage doesn't want to work right now. So now I have to carry it. I was rolling it on wheels. What is going on right now? It's like a series of like bad luck. And I'm literally recording it as it's happening to me. Like, how is this happening?
So how is this working?